Ever wanted to make a handmade gift that a baby can cherish from their very first months? Something soft, adorable, safe, and filled with love? Then today's tutorial is exactly what you're looking for. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're creating a baby's first Amigurumi Rattle toy, a sweet crochet project that's perfect for baby showers, newborn gifts, or simply making something special for your little one. The best part? This project is beginner-friendly. We'll go through every step slowly, from creating the head and handle to safely inserting the rattle and stuffing everything securely. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a beautiful handmade toy that's not only cute, but also practical and memorable. So grab your yarn, your crochet hook, and let's get started. Materials you'll need. Before we begin crocheting, let's gather our supplies. For today's project, you'll need soft cotton or cotton blend yarn, crochet hook, 2.5 millimeters to 3.5 millimeters depending on your yarn, polyester fiber fill stuffing, small baby-safe rattle insert, yarn needle, stitch marker, small scissors. For safety, avoid using plastic safety eyes for toys intended for babies under 3 years old. Instead, we'll embroider the facial features using black cotton embroidery thread. This creates a much safer toy while still looking absolutely adorable. Choose soft pastel colors like cream, baby pink, sky blue, mint green, lavender, soft yellow. These gentle colors make the toy feel calm, cozy, and perfect for newborns. Step 1. Starting the head. Let's begin with the head. Create a magic ring. Work 6 single crochet stitches inside the ring. Pull it closed. Round 2. Increase into every stitch. You should now have 12 stitches. Continue increasing gradually over the next several rounds until the head reaches your desired size. Don't rush this step. Try to keep your stitches even and consistent. If your stitches begin leaning or twisting, don't worry, that happens to everyone. Just continue following your stitch marker. As the rounds grow larger, you'll begin to see a perfect little sphere forming. This is one of the most satisfying moments in amigurumi. Your project finally begins looking like a toy. Keep checking your stitch count after every round. Accurate counting makes the finished toy symmetrical and professional. Step 2. Adding the rattle insert. Once the head reaches its widest point, it's time to prepare the inside. First, add a small amount of polyester stuffing. Don't overfill. The toy should stay soft and squeezable. Now place the baby-safe rattle insert directly into the center. Surround it evenly with stuffing. This prevents the rattle from moving around too much. Shake it gently. Hear that? That gentle sound is exactly what babies love. Soft rattling noises help stimulate hearing while encouraging babies to reach, grab, and explore. Continue adding stuffing little by little, always distributed evenly. Lumpy stuffing can distort the toy's shape. Once everything feels balanced, begin decreasing the stitches to close the head. As the opening becomes smaller, use your fingers or the back of your crochet hook to adjust the stuffing. Finally, close the head completely. Leave a long yarn tail for sewing later. Step 3. Embroidering the face. Now comes the fun part, giving our toy its personality. Thread black embroidery floss onto your yarn needle. Embroider 2 tiny sleepy eyes. Simple curved lines create a peaceful expression. Next, stitch a tiny smiling mouth. If you'd like, add rosy cheeks using pink embroidery thread. Keep the features small and centered. Minimal faces often look the cutest. Remember, babies love simple shapes. Too many details can actually distract from the softness of the toy. Take your time here. A few tiny stitches completely transform your crochet piece into an adorable little friend. Step 4. crocheting the handle. Now we'll crochet the handle. The handle needs to be easy for tiny hands to grab. Start with another magic ring. Work 6 single crochet. Increase gradually until you reach the desired diameter. Instead of creating another sphere, continue crocheting evenly to build a smooth tube. Stuff the handle lightly. It should remain firm enough to hold its shape, but still soft enough for babies. Many crocheters like adding a wooden ring. However, today's version stays entirely crocheted, making it soft from top to bottom. Continue crocheting until your handle reaches around 4 to 5 inches long. Finally, close one end. Leave a long tail for sewing. 5. Joining everything together. Place the handle underneath the head. Check that everything is centered. Using your yarn needle, sew around the opening carefully. Go around multiple times. This connection needs to be extra strong because babies naturally grab, pull, and shake their toys. After sewing, gently tug on the handle. If anything feels loose, reinforce it with another round of stitches. Hide the yarn ends neatly inside the toy. Give the rattle a gentle shake. Everything should feel secure. Now shape the stuffing with your hands until the toy becomes perfectly rounded. Congratulations! Your baby's first Amigurumi Rattle is almost finished. Optional decorations. Want to personalize your toy? Here are a few adorable ideas. Add tiny crochet ears to create bear, bunny, kitty, puppy. Or crochet a tiny flower for the top. Small bows also look beautiful for baby shower gifts. You can even embroider the baby's initials onto the handle. Another lovely idea is matching the toy with a baby blanket using the same yarn colors. Handmade gift sets always look thoughtful and professional. Just remember, avoid buttons, beads, sequins, or glued decorations. Everything should either be crocheted or securely embroidered. Safety always comes first. Care tips. Since this toy is designed for babies, keeping it clean is essential. Use machine-washable cotton yarn whenever possible. If your rattle insert is washable, gently hand wash the toy with mild baby detergent. Allow it to air dry completely before giving it back to the baby. Always inspect the seams regularly. If you notice any loose stitches, repair them immediately. Handmade toys can last for years when cared for properly. Many families even keep them as treasured keepsakes long after the baby has grown. Final thoughts. And there we have it, your very own baby's first Amigurumi Rattle toy. This simple little project is more than just crochet. It's a handmade memory. Every stitch carries love, care, and creativity, making it a gift that no store-bought toy can truly replace. Whether you're making it for your own baby, a grandchild, or as a thoughtful baby shower present, this adorable rattle is sure to bring smiles and become a cherished keepsake. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly crochet pattern tutorials. Let me know in the comments what animal you'd like to turn this rattle into next. A bunny, teddy bear, elephant, fox, or maybe even a tiny dinosaur. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. Keep creating, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next crochet tutorial. Happy crocheting!